Hi, and welcome to a new day in Now TV Canada and my efforts to do the celebration of life for my friend Nicole LeBlanc. So here we have me rapping since yesterday. It's $300, right? So there's like $100 in dimes and $200 in quarters, and I just got $20 in nickels going, and I still got more nickels going. I'm guessing there's another $50 in nickels, and then I will try and haul all of it over in the backpack to the bank. And yes, I have looked at airplane tickets, and I could do a return trip, but I worried that the planning of this event and all the stuff that goes on and cleaning a place up and family issues, whatever, that it is not going to get done within that return date plan. So I'm going to buy one way, and then just leave it open ended because I have about a 10-day window of time around work that's available. So what I'm waiting for today, hopefully, is to hear from the boyfriend Carlos, whether I have an exchange of communication through phone number agreed upon with the aunt that knows me, who's not back from her cabin trip, but at least we can touch base by phone. So nobody's allowed into the apartment. Apparently it's still taped off. There is obviously a natural timeline that goes on after this kind of stuff happens. So we're not in any danger there. Nothing will happen. Property is safe until the end of November. That gives me more than enough time to give her a proper send off, to clean the space out, spiritually pray, light incense, candle, and keep the most meaningful stuff. It is my intention, the reason I'm documenting all of this, to do a documentary, to make a film about Nicole, about this condition, about this form of self-harm, and how widely spread self-harm is, and how little help there is, how little education there is on it, and worse, how little people talk about it, and how badly people are treated who have problems that are different. So if you're different, then they don't know how to treat you, so they treat you kind of like you're a disease or something to be allergic to. So it's not okay. So that's my goal in telling her story. Maybe make a change so that it helps save other people's lives, change their path, and help them live longer. And in the process, I will have to tell the truth about my background, my history as well. Combining why her and I were friends, what made it so important, what makes all of this so impactful and deepful, and why I did that 40-minute sermon and talk and put it out there in such a high speed on YouTube. Anyways, I'm done. We're going to go to the bank after finishing the rest of the nickels. I do still have quarters in here, like another whole roll of quarters, but I'm not going to use those in the loonies because I have always got laundry issues, and I have like all these unique cool quarters and nickels and American money. So yeah, I might have something to put aside for. So yeah, that's it. I'll let you guys know what the total sum is in the bank after it's all put in. Okay, bye for now from Vancouver, Canada. Signing out.